The I'm Koi code results are out, and congratulations to you if you are in the waitlist. There's a reason why I'm saying congratulations, because in this video I'll be telling you what has been the waitlist trends of the last few years at I'm Koi code. So that is important. Also, if you've converted I'm Koi code, congratulations to you. For you in this video, I'll be talking you through that what are some of the very interesting placement trends which you need to keep in mind. Even if you're from PGP Finance or PGP LSM, this video is important for you. Let's begin. Now, the first thing which I want to share with you is some snippets of the placement report. The placement report of 2025 batch, the latest available placement report, is a combined placement report of PGP, PGP Finance, and PGP LSM. The average salary stands at 28.18 lakhs, and the median is close to 27.5 lakhs. There are 561 students who participated in this, 169 companies, and you can see the average salaries of the top 5 percentile, top 10 percentile, and also the highest CTC. This CTC, by the way, came in from finance, and we'll be talking about how I'm Koi code is doing good in finance, and because of what reason. That is a very important part for you if you're getting into I'm Koi code, or if you're in the waitlist trying to get into I'm Koi code. The next thing which you need to know is that sector-wise placement breakdown. Now, here is where things get interesting, and you can see it very clearly. This is the latest year, the highest number of placements at most of these good campuses like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, Koi code. Most students, they aspire to go into consulting companies like McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Accenture, Strategy, and all of these companies. They come and they pick students, and most of the students, they are getting into consulting, which has been consistent over the last few years. And this is the same at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta. Interestingly, now if you see finance and banking, that is the second highest placement by percentages at IIM Koi code. If you see the previous years, that was as much, that was as much as 30% in one case and 25% in one case. So it is basically like 26 and 28%. Then general management and other jobs, they constitute about 16.4%, and sales and marketing at a 14.4%. You can see this trend. Now I'll show you the domain wise average placements. This is interesting for you. This will make some sense to you. Now, the highest placements, the highest salary packages, pay packages are coming to consulting, okay, in terms of the average. So in a consulting job role, the norm is much higher than the other domains, but I'll show you that the highest placement is actually in finance. So if I just skip to the next slide directly, you will see this is domain wise highest placement salary offered, and you will see something interesting. अब consulting में highest salary offered नहीं है. Consulting में in fact not even the second highest or third highest. Consulting में ठीक है 40-45 पे चल रहा है, मगर finance is the highest over the last 2 years. If you see even the last 2 years, you can see it 72 and 81. That's that. And then followed by IT and analytics at 67-71. But if you now compare these two slides, you need to see these two slides in conjunction, which is average placement and highest placement. This tells you two stories. What are those two stories? अब ये समझो, बड़ा जरूरी है ये. अब यही चीजें हैं. मेरा काम सिर्फ तुम्हें वेटलिस्ट का नंबर दिखा के भाग जाना नहीं है, ये यही सब बातें करना है, बिकॉज अब तुम जाने वाले हो उस कॉलेज में, पता होना चाहिए. इवन इफ योर पेरेंट हु इज वाचिंग दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर नाउ. इसमें फन फैक्ट ये है भाई कि ये कह रहे हैं एवरेज प्लेसमेंट्स सबसे ज्यादा कंसल्टिंग में है, मगर हाईएस्ट सबसे ज्यादा कंसल्टिंग में नहीं है. दैट मींस दिस शोज द स्टोरी नंबर 1. देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई कंसल्टिंग इज अ वेरी प्रेफर्ड path for most students, or for some students. The reason is because it gives you a big number of salary, and you know that how much salary you are going to get from consulting. उसमें aberrations नहीं होते कि एक consulting firm ने आके कुछ remarkably high salary pay कर दी and वो average उन्होंने drive up कर दिया, which means that यहाँ पे average stable इसीलिए है ज्यादा because वो similar ही salaries offer कर रहे हैं. Whereas in finance, this even this average which you can see over here 24 point whatever is on account of a very high average very high salary 81. तो बाकी फाइनेंस सैलरीज पता नहीं कि वाकई कितनी है. सब फाइनेंस सैलरीज कम भी होंगी, तब जाके 81 ने उसको खींचा है ऊपर टू ब्रिंग इट 24. whereas in consulting वो बहुत स्टेबलाइज्ड है. तो ये दो कहानियां हैं जो मैं समझाना चाह रहा था. सेकंड कहानी फाइनेंस की है कि भाई फाइनेंस आई एम कोई कोड इज स्टार्टिंग टू डू well in finance, and the reason for that is that PGP finance program. Now we'll talk about it more once we go closer to this. Now let me go to the next slide. This, my dear friends, is the waitlist movement for the PGP, the flagship PGP program. You will see across the 3 years, the latest year is in the first row, 193 for general category, uske पिछले साल 187 and 174. So if your waitlist number is somewhere within this, you know what most likely your fate is going to be. If it is beyond this, we cannot really tell what will happen. It may cross 200, it may not. And for the remaining other categories, you can see it over here. Now I will also take you to the waitlist movement of PGP Fin and PGP LSM, which is over here. In PGP Fin for the last 2 years, the waitlist movement has been this. For the last year, it has been 26 for general category, and before that it was 63. This could be a trend towards कि हाँ आप शायद 26-63 के बीच में कुछ रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रोइंग एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द प्रोग्राम। मे बी दिस इज जस्ट स्पेक्यूलेशन, नोबडी कैन टेल यू, नॉट इवन मी, कि इस साल कितना होगा। तो मैं वो अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं करने वाला हूँ कि मैं बहुत ज्ञानी हूँ और मैं कुछ एनालिसिस करके बताने वाला हूँ आपकी कितना नंबर रहेगा। इट्स अ वेरी स्टूपिड थिंग टू डू बाय द वे, इफ एनीबडी इज डूइंग दैट फॉर यू। पीजीपी LSM, these have been the numbers, 49 for the last year, 59 before that, and for the other categories you can see it on your screen and you would know. See, the reason why I want to talk to you about PGP Finance specifically, see, some of these institutions, for example, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Indore, I like the fact that they are very smartly experimental. For example, IIM Indore is a very has been a very experimental institution. It was the first to launch the 5-year IPM program way back some 9-10 years back. Great. उसके बाद फिर ये 6-7 और IIMs ने स्टार्ट करा। इन द सेम वे स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रोग्राम्स तो और कैंपसेस में भी हमेशा से चल रहे हैं। IIM अहमदाबाद हैज अ FABM, IIML हैज अ ABM, ये तो चल रहा है। मगर द मेन स्ट्रीम डोमेन को लाइक फाइनेंस को लेके PGP फाइनेंस स्पेशलाइजेशन प्रोग्राम बनाना, आई थिंक दैट इज अ एफर्ट ऑफ IIM Kozhikode towards making sure that yes, they are attracting these top tier finance companies because now they have a flagship program in finance, and I think that is starting to pay off. What you can see it in terms of the fact that finance is the second highest placement by percentage at IIM Kozhikode, also the highest salaries in finance. So this will play out very interestingly over the next 2 years. If you have comparable options at IIM Kozhikode, we can talk about what the comparable options are, where to go. ये question एक बहुत होगा, मैं बहुत important बातें करने वाला हूँ. Hold on now. Please join my free Telegram group. Why? Because there I respond in voice notes if you have any doubts. The faster way to reach me is to book a one-to-one call with me, the link of which is in the description below, creatum.co/mentorship. तो हम बात कर सकते हैं वहां पे कि भी तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल क्या है, तुम्हारे पास क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है और कहां जाना चाहिए। Furthermore, इस समय क्या करें अगर वेट लिस्ट में हो, you need to get started with pre-MBA. I have personally curated a pre-MBA program for you called How to Be School. उसका मतलब ही ये है कि you will get a snapshot of what is going to happen in your B school, how to do well in academics, how to do well in extracurricular activities, what to do for summer placements, final placement, CV preparation. Do you know MBA में जाते ही 4-6 हफ्ते में CV फ्रीज हो जाएगी तुम्हारी, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते। resume बिल्डिंग तुम्हें आज से कर। Within that there's a course called MBA concept crashers. So all these first year concepts which they will teach you in marketing, finance, operations, statistics, economics, all of that is covered in bite-sized videos inside that course called MBA concept crashers. और भी 2 courses और है, business communication mastery. If you're somebody who's thinking यार मेरी business communication ठीक नहीं, मुझे थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा how to communicate in an MBA, then all of that is there in How to Be School. I wish you all the best, my dear friends. Let me know in the comments what are you feeling right now. If you're feeling anxious, let me know what is your waitlist number. Let me know. Let's see where you can get this year. Thanks a lot and goodbye.